John Green's journey is a testament to the transformative power of words. From a young boy battling anxiety to a literary icon, he turned his struggles into stories that resonate with millions. His novels, like The Fault in Our Stars, don't just entertain. They remind us that even in pain, there is beauty, and in uncertainty, there is hope. Green's voice became a beacon for a generation, proving that authenticity and vulnerability are the keys to connection. With his brother Hank, John redefined what it means to build a community. Through Vlogbrothers and Nerdfighteria, they fostered a space where curiosity thrives, kindness is celebrated, and people are empowered to increase awesome in the world. Their projects, Crash Course, VidCon, and Project for Awesome, show that learning and giving back can be joyful, revolutionary acts. John's battle with OCD and anxiety didn't silence him. It fueled his creativity. Turtles All the Way Down and the Anthropocene Reviewed are raw, honest explorations of mental health and humanity. He teaches us that our struggles don't define us. How we respond to them does. His advocacy for global health, tuberculosis awareness, and refugees proves that one person's voice can spark global change. Rejection, doubt, and fear could have stopped him, but they didn't. From early setbacks in publishing to the pressure of following up a bestseller, John kept writing, creating, and evolving. His message: success isn't about perfection. It's about showing up again and again, even when the path is unclear. John Green's story isn't just about books or YouTube fame. It's about living with intention, whether signing thousands of copies for fans, fighting for accessible healthcare, or reminding us to imagine others complexly. He challenges us to make every moment count. His legacy is a call to action. Create boldly, love deeply, leave the world better than you found it.